Hey, Amelia. So, on the ones where you have to write equations of parabolas, there's really two cases. There's the case where you know the two x-intercepts. This is one of the problems from the homework that you sent me. And then there's the case where you know the vertex and another point on the parabola. And so the first thing you have to identify is, do I know the vertex or do I know the two x-intercepts? And then that's going to tell you which form to use. So look at the different forms between vertex form and intercept form. So here's what we do. I'm going to do the intercept one first. I think this one's a little bit easier. So in the form, right here, R and S are the two x-intercepts that I know. Like on this problem, R is 4 and S is 24. The reason they give me a third point, another point, is because I still have to find this A value right here. Like, I basically need to know A, R, and S. And I already know R and S, but I have to know the A value. So here's how I find the A value. So at this point, I know y equals A, and then I have x minus 4, x minus 24. That's what I know. But the reason they give another point is to be able to have numbers to plug in for x and y. This is going to help me find the A value. So I'm going to plug 9.6 in for y, and I'm going to plug 0 in for the two x's. So that's going to be negative 4 and negative 24. And then I'm going to multiply negative 4 and negative 24 together, which I have no idea what that is at this point. So 96. And then divide both sides by 96. So 9.6 divided by 96. A is 0.1. So then I have the equation. I can say y equals 0.1 times x minus 4, x minus 24. And there's my equation. So I'm using my two x-intercepts for R and S, and then I use the other point to find the A value. The vertex form is really, really similar. It's just a different form. So in the vertex form, H and K are the vertex numbers. So like the vertex here, that's H and that's K. And then they give me another point to plug in for X and Y to find the A value. So for instance, I'm going to plug my other point in for X and Y. So it'd be like 3 equals, I don't know A, that's what I'm going to try to find. X is negative 1. Minus negative 2, so plus 2, squared, and then plus 6, k is 6. And then I'm just like the last one, the other one down here, now I'm going to solve for A. So 3 equals, let's see, negative 1 plus 2 is 1, 1 squared is 1, so 1A plus 6, subtract 6, so A is negative 3. So for this form, I need to replace A, H, and K. And I know all those now. So it'd be y equals negative 3, x plus 2 squared plus 6. So a couple things. You just need to identify, do you know the vertex or do you know the two x-intercepts? And then use the other point to find the A value. Hopefully that helps.